Differential pressure measurements are very important, both in industry and in engineering, medicine, and HVAC systems. The most popular applications where differential pressure measurement is used include filter monitoring. The pressure drop before and after the filter allows you to assess its contamination. An increase in differential pressure is a sign that the filter needs to be replaced. Flow measurement. In systems with nozzles, orifices, or restrictors, the pressure difference is the basis for calculating the flow of liquid or gas. System safety assessment. Too large a pressure difference may indicate clogging, leakage, or failure. Airflow control in ventilation ducts. Measuring the pressure difference allows for assessment of system efficiency. In medicine or pharmacy, this may involve checking the pressure difference between rooms. As in clean rooms, measuring differential pressure provides information that cannot be obtained from absolute or relative pressure measurements, which is why it is so important. The instruments used to measure the pressure difference between 2 points in a system are differential pressure gauges or differential transducers. You will find these in the Automatica 24.pl store. The parameters that characterize these devices are practically identical to those of ordinary pressure gauges or transducers. However, when selecting a device, special attention should be paid to one very important parameter that is not found in relative pressure solutions. This is the nominal pressure in the system. Nominal pressure is not a measuring range, but the working pressure at which the difference we want to measure may occur. The design of the measuring device often depends on this parameter. If you are interested in purchasing such products, please contact us by email or via the Automatica 24.pl store.